Kids Club Learning Zone. The fish in the sea go swim, 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 swim. The fish in the sea go swim, 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 swim. The fishy go swim, swim, swim all day long. The octopus in the sea go wiggle, 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 wiggle. The octopus in the sea goes wiggle, wiggle, wiggle all day long. The crabs in the sea go pinch, 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 pinch. The crab in the sea go pinch, pinch, pinch all day long. The shark in the sea go chomp, 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 chomp. The shark in the sea go chomp, chomp, chomp all day long.
Let's go!
Let's buy some new stationery and a school bag.